Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to our VYbE Dance channel. As you can see, it's a little bit different today. I am in my car. Last Saturday was my birthday and I actually got a really awesome birthday from you guys, and we actually hit 10,000 subscribers. Yay! So thank you. It really means a lot to us. It feels like our hard work is being seen and appreciated. So thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And so for my birthday, I actually had decided to go and get some PPE supplies and groceries to drop off at some community fridges in the downtown area. Specifically, I had chosen the Chinatown one. I had posted about it, and today one of my friends reached out and said, hey, I'm off work today, let's do another drop-off. So we're doing another drop-off kind of for me as a celebration and to do another trip to the community fridges. I'm very excited to do that. So right now we are at Chinatown and we are going to pick up some groceries from the smaller grocery stores in Chinatown, and then we're gonna hit up the little fridge at Darcy Street. So come join us. Vegetables and rice. Okay, so we've got our bags everywhere, and now we're just going to walk there because parking in Chinatown is a let's see. See, it's empty already. I was here on Saturday. That's like crazy. This is before. Yay! This is our after. Harriet stuff is right at the back, so it's like super filled. We did it! How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yay!
Do this more.
We should totally see. That's why I'm here the second time in 3 days. Cause yeah, it just like it got empty so fast. Yeah, we just really gotta do more for our community. All right, and that is it for our celebratory and do good video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm gonna leave some more information in the description box below for the community fridges in Toronto. It's essentially a mutual aid, so it's not really a not-for-profit, but it is something that encourages community members to be able to directly impact and help out, fill up those fridges in the greater Toronto area. Yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely go check them out, see what you guys can do. So I actually had a couple of VYbE community members reach out to me and actually send me some money to chip in for the donations. So I will be doing more drop-offs in the near future because I actually learned that it doesn't take too much money to fill up those community fridges and pantries. So I will be definitely doing more drop-offs in the near future with everyone's donations. So if you guys have anything that you want to chip in, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for 10,000 subscribers. We are so thankful for you guys. You guys are amazing, and you guys already know it would really help us out if you could like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.